Friends, if you want to earn $320 per refer, then you must watch this video till the end. Before getting started with today's video, make sure you subscribe to this channel as here I share many valuable content on make money online, CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Hello and welcome friends, welcome back to another awesome video. So friends, today in this video I am going to tell you about a particular affiliate program which is paying you $320 per refer. I mean $320 per sale. So it is giving you up to $320 and it is one of the best affiliate program. Now why it is one of the best affiliate program? Wait my dear friends, I will explain you in detail. So all you need to do is to follow this video till the end without skipping a single second. Because if you will try to miss a single second, then you may miss that best affiliate program which is paying you $320 per refer. So all you need to do is first of all you have to come on web.com. Now it is one of the biggest website on internet because let me show you the traffic of SimilarWeb. What does SimilarWeb says about this website? Let us see. The monthly visits are more than 1 million. As you can see, the result is in front of you and the average view duration is 5 minutes and it is one of the best. Okay, so as you can see the country rank and category rank. So as you can see, web.com is one of the biggest website on internet. Now what type of website it is, let me explain you in detail. It is very easy to understand also. So as you can see over here, build a website in 3 easy steps. Choose a domain, pick a package and drag and drop your design, which means that it is a website builder. Okay, with the help of this particular platform, one can just simply make a website by simply dragging and dropping. So in this way, that particular user may not expert in coding and may not expert in WordPress, because for WordPress you must need a hosting. But for this website builder to build a website on this particular website builder, you need not any hosting. They are providing you hosting, and as you can see, it is a website builder at a very affordable rate. As it is written over here, get your first month for just $1.95. Okay, so basically it is a website builder. As you can see, tools to grow your business, website builder as well as WordPress website. So you have to choose that to which tool you want to go for, a website builder or a WordPress website. So as you can see, there is nothing more to explain you about this particular platform because it is very easy to understand. And as you can see, the pricing of this website is also very affordable as compared to the alternative of this website which are just demanding very high charges in order for a website builder. Okay, but this website is very affordable for all those beginners who want to start their online career by making a website. Okay, so it is one of the best platform. So all we need to do is first of all we have to join its affiliate program in order to earn up to $320 per refer or $320 per sale. So you just simply need to click on affiliate program, and as you can see, we are on the affiliates page, web.com affiliates page. As you can see, sign up, then promote, then earn. Promote are easy to use website builder and hosting products to start earning money today. Okay, so it is very easy. All you need to do is first of all you have to join this particular affiliate program, and you can easily promote this because it is one of the famous website and it is providing you very good services at very affordable rate. So it would be very easy for us to promote this particular platform. So as you can see over here, more options, more opportunity, because this website is just awesome. What's in it for you? You are free to sign up, which means that all you need to do is you have to follow this button and then you have to apply for this particular web.com affiliate program. And accurate tracking, we track all actions through the most reliable tracking platform in the industry, which means that they will track your clicks, leads as well as sales, and they will just give you the best and accurate result. And as you can see over here, creative resources. We offer a variety of high quality creative assets. Simply choose the ones that responds best with your audience and get started, which means that after joining this affiliate program you will get a many good marketing materials in order to promote this particular affiliate program, in order to promote this particular platform in a more better way. So as if you will scroll down, you will see how it works. Sign up and then start promoting and then get paid. It is as simple as this. Alright. So as you can see over here, you are also getting a contact support for your any query. Okay, as you can see, affiliate help @web.com. So for more information in a more detail, all you can do is just you can read this part, which is fakes part. Okay, you can go with this fakes in order to know more information about this particular web.com or about this particular web.com affiliate. So I will highly recommend you to join this particular affiliate program because it is going to be very easy for us. Okay, so in this way we can just promote it and can make money online in affiliate marketing. So all you need to do is, first of all, you have to come on your Impact Radius dashboard. Okay, so as you can see over here, I am on my dashboard of Impact. So all I need to do is, first of all, you have to go in the find brands part. Okay, so all you need to do is, first of all, you have to search for this particular platform, which is web.com. So let me search over here, web.com. So you have to press enter, and as you can see over here, there are some offers of web.com. So you have to go with this one, web.com, not web.com UK. If you want, you can go there also. Okay, but this offer is this one, web.com. As you can see, I have approval of this particular affiliate program, which is giving up to $320 per sale. As you can see, online purchase tracker, $25 to $320 per sale. Okay, which means that if a user just follows your affiliate link and purchase anything, as you can see, purchase a plan of this particular website, so for that sale, for that qualified purchase, you are going to get $25 to $320. Okay, so the commission depends on some number of leads. Okay, I know. So as you can see, what is the average commission? So for this, you can come on this website. As you can see over here, unlimited earning potential. You will earn $100 for every qualified purchase. Send as many referrals as you can. There's no limit on your commission earned. Okay, so you can earn as much as you want. There is no restriction, there's no limit. Okay, so all you need to do is, first of all, you have to come back on your Impact dashboard and then you have to apply for this particular affiliate program. And with the help of this offer, you can earn average $100 for every sale, for every qualified purchase made through your affiliate link. Okay, so first of all, you have to apply, and as you can see, this particular affiliate program is available in Canada, France, UK, Germany, Israel, as well as in US. Okay, which means that you can easily promote this particular affiliate program in order to earn more money online. So as you can see, the sample landing page they have given over here. So let me visit the sample landing page, which is web.com/website/build a website, basically a website builder. Okay, build a website in just 3 easy steps. So as you can see over here, it is very simple to build a website on this particular platform. So if you also want to build a website without WordPress or with WordPress, you can easily come on this platform and make a website at very affordable cost. Okay, but if you don't want to make a website, all you need to do is, first of all, you have to join the affiliate program, which is over here. Okay, and you have to take approval of this particular affiliate program. So as you can see over here, you have to promote this particular platform because it is very easy for us to promote this, and because it is one of the biggest website. I have already showed you the traffic, okay, and the rank, country rank, and the prices are also very affordable. So in this case, it would be very easy for us to promote it and make money online in affiliate marketing. So let me come back on my Impact dashboard, and as you can see, the features of this particular web.com affiliate program, which are giving you unique promo code tracking. Okay, so there are also marketing materials available over here. So it is very easy for you to promote this And besides sale, it is also written over here DIFM inbound phone lead. So for this particular action, you are going to get $80. So it is also a good amount of commission. But if you are finding difficulty in promoting this, all you can do is just simply promote this landing page, which means promote this particular web.com platform and earn a sale commission, which is very easy. And they are also providing a very high commission, as you can see, up to $320 per sale they are offering you on this particular Impact Radius dashboard. Now if I tell you some promotional strategies, so let me cut this and come back to my Quora account, because promoting this particular web.com would be very easy for us with the help of Quora, because you can easily promote anything with the help of Quora, and promoting a website builder is very easy with the help of Quora. So let me search over here. Website builder, because there are many website builder on the internet, but the affordable one are very less. Okay, so you have to search this term. You can search for best website builder, or how can one make website without a WordPress or without a hosting. So basically these are some keywords that will help you in order to find the best questions and in order to find the latest question. Okay, so all you can do is search. You have to apply for the filter like past week or past month. You can also apply filter of past 1 month. I will not recommend you to apply the filter of past year, because in this way I don't think so that you will get some latest questions. You have to find some latest questions so that you can answer them and just promote your affiliate program. But my dear friends, don't forget to make a landing page, because if you will try to share your affiliate link directly, this will not work. Your Quora account will be suspended because it is a spamming. First of all, you have to make one landing page, and then you have to promote this particular web.com affiliate in a more better way, in an organic way. Okay, so all you can do is you can write an article on your website. Okay, suppose let me visit my website. Wait a second. So if I visit my website, what I can do, I can just simply write a valuable article on this website, and my next step should be to drive traffic on this particular article of web.com. So I can put this web.com inside the section of WordPress, because it comes under WordPress website builder. Okay, so all I can do, I can just simply write an article over this website. So I have to drive traffic on this particular blog post in order to get more and more sales organically. Okay, so this is the best method you can do in order to promote the web.com affiliate program and make money online in affiliate marketing. So in this video, this much only. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thank you.